In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set stop loss on Pepperstone. Start by making sure you are already logged into your Pepperstone Trader platform. Once you are inside the platform, look toward the bottom section of the screen and open the Trade tab. This area shows your active trading information and gives you access to your current positions. After that, select the Positions tab. This will display all of your open trades in one list. Take a moment to find the specific position that you want to protect with a stop loss. Make sure you choose the correct trade before making any changes. When you have located the position, right-click on it and choose Modify Position from the menu. On some versions of the platform, you may also see an edit icon that looks like a pencil. If that option is available, you can click it instead. Both methods will open the same modification window for your trade. In the modification window, look for the Stop Loss field. This is the section where you will enter the price level you want the platform to use for your stop loss. Type in your desired stop loss price or level carefully. It is important to enter the correct value, since this setting controls where the trade will be closed automatically if the market moves against you. Once you have entered the stop loss, review the updated trade settings on the screen. Check the position details and confirm that the stop loss level matches the value you intended to use. This quick review helps prevent mistakes before the update is submitted. When everything looks correct, click Modify to apply the stop loss to your open position. After that, give the platform a moment to process the change. The update usually happens quickly, but it is always a good idea to wait until the system finishes applying the modification. Finally, verify that the stop loss is now displayed for your open position in the Positions tab. This confirms that the stop loss has been successfully added and is active on your trade. That is the full process for setting a stop loss on Pepperstone using Trader. Once you have done it a few times, it becomes a very quick adjustment to make whenever you need to manage risk on an open trade. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.